You want to be stronger than 99% of women going through perimenopause? Here's the truth. Every year after 40, women can lose up to 8% of muscle mass and 3% of bone density if they're not training for it. That loss doesn't just make you weaker, it makes everyday life harder, increases injury risk, and can steal your independence faster than you think. But here's the good news. This is 100% reversible when you start now. From carrying every grocery bag in one trip, to kneeling in the garden for hours without a sore back, to lifting your suitcase into the overhead bin with ease, your body can feel capable again. And it starts with just 4 simple exercises that make you stronger than women half your age, and 99% of women your own age. Remember when you could spend hours in the garden without a sore back, paddle for miles, or juggle a dozen tasks without feeling worn out? Back then, it felt effortless. Hauling bags of soil, leaning over to trim flowers, crouching to pull weeds, or standing on a paddleboard for an afternoon without even thinking about your balance. You'd come home tired, sure, but it was the good kind of tired, the kind that comes with accomplishment, not the kind that leaves you wondering how you'll get up the stairs. As you navigate perimenopause and menopause, it can feel like those active, energized moments are slipping away. But they don't have to be. It all starts with just 4 simple exercises that build real strength, protect your bones, and reignite your energy, making you stronger than most around you. And here's the beautiful part. You're not starting from scratch. You're starting from experience. You already know what it feels like to feel strong in your body. Now it's about getting back there in a way that works for this stage of life, without punishing your joints or spending hours on complicated routines. By training the muscles that keep you mobile, balanced, and resilient, you can keep doing the things you love for years to come. That means staying steady on uneven hiking trails, confidently lifting your suitcase into an overhead bin, or twisting to grab that top-shelf mixing bowl without wincing. And here's the thing. When you commit to building the right kind of strength, you can become stronger than 99.9% of people your age, and even many half your age. Not gym strong for the sake of it, but life strong. The kind that lets you say yes to spontaneous adventures, keep up with kids or grandkids, and move through the world with power and ease. And it all starts with just 4 simple exercises. Number 1, farmer's walk. Carry your strength into life. It looks simple. Pick up 2 weights, stand tall, and walk. It's the kind of move that doesn't need a fancy gym membership or high-tech equipment. You could do it in your living room, driveway, or even during a grocery run. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This move works your entire body. Why it's perfect for women over 35. It improves grip strength, which research links to longevity and overall health. It strengthens your core and posture, helping prevent back pain. It builds functional strength for real-life tasks, like carrying laundry upstairs, hauling in all the groceries at once, or moving garden soil bags. It helps maintain bone density, essential during and after menopause when bone loss speeds up. Think of all the moments in life when you carry something, a toddler on one hip, a cooler across the yard, or bags of potting soil from the trunk. The farmer's walk is basically training for life. A 2015 study in The Lancet found that grip strength was a stronger predictor of health and lifespan than even blood pressure. That's right. How well you can hold on to something can literally predict how well you age. It's not just about hand muscles. Grip strength reflects the overall condition of your muscles, nervous system, and connective tissues. How to do it? Pick weights that feel challenging but safe. Dumbbells, kettlebells, or even heavy reusable grocery bags. Stand tall, shoulders back, core engaged. Walk 20 to 40 steps without letting your shoulders round forward. Rest, repeat 3 to 4 times. Beginner tip: no weights. Fill 2 tote bags with cans or water bottles. Progression: increase weight, distance, or carry time. Why it matters for you. Every time you do this, you're training your body for the life you actually live. You'll feel more stable, more capable, and far less likely to strain yourself during everyday lifting. And there's a quiet confidence that comes from knowing you can carry more than you thought possible, whether that's groceries, luggage, or even a canoe down to the water. Number 2, the plank. Build core strength that protects you. The plank is quiet, still, just you and the floor, and maybe some shaking after a few seconds. It's more than an ab exercise. It's a shield for your spine and joints. The strength you build here isn't about getting a six-pack. It's about making your core a stable foundation for everything else you do. Why it's perfect for women over 35. It strengthens deep core muscles that keep your back safe. It helps reduce lower back pain, which is common after years of sitting or post-pregnancy. It improves balance and stability, which naturally decline with age. It teaches you to brace your core, which is crucial for safe lifting and twisting. A 2014 study in the Journal of Sports Science and Medicine found planks improved spinal stability and reduced injury risk better than traditional sit-ups. That's because planks train your body to resist movement, which is often more important than creating it. How to do it? Elbows under shoulders, back flat, core tight. Squeeze glutes, keep neck neutral. Hold for 15 to 45 seconds to start. Prioritize perfect form over holding longer. General tip: drop your knees while keeping your hips forward. Progression: add side planks or lift one arm or leg. Why it matters for you. Planks train you to stay strong and steady under pressure, whether you're carrying a suitcase, twisting to reach a high shelf, or bracing during a stumble. Over time, that stability becomes second nature, protecting you when you least expect it. Like when your dog lunges for a squirrel mid-walk. Number 3, kettlebell swing, power, posture, and fat loss. In one move, one simple tool, a kettlebell can unlock power, endurance, and better posture. Why it's perfect for women over 35. It fires up the posterior chain, glutes, hamstrings, and back, which often weaken as we age. It boosts metabolism, a key to maintaining a healthy weight during hormonal changes. It improves hip mobility and strengthens the lower back. It gives you a cardio workout without pounding your joints. If you've ever felt your back ache after bending forward or standing too long, your posterior chain could be the missing link. Strengthening it not only improves posture, but also helps prevent falls, injuries, and lower back pain. A 2012 Journal of Strength and Conditioning research study showed kettlebell swings produce power comparable to Olympic lifts, but are far more accessible. That means you get big benefits without needing complex Olympic lifting technique. How to do it? Stand feet hip-width apart, kettlebell a foot in front, hinge at hips, grab the handle, back flat, swing it back between your legs, then thrust hips forward to send it to chest height. Arms stay relaxed, hips do the work. Beginner tip: start light and focus on timing and form. Progression: increase weight, speed, or do interval training. Why it matters for you. Kettlebell swings train the movement you use to lift grandkids, pick up boxes, or even rise from a chair, with strength, stability, and less strain. Plus, there's something empowering about feeling that explosive hip drive. It's athletic, it's energizing, and it's a reminder that your body is still capable of generating serious power. Number 4, hanging into a pull-up, the ultimate upper body test. No machines, no fancy handles, just a bar and your body. Why it's perfect for women over 35. It strengthens back, arms, and core all at once. It improves posture and shoulder stability. It boosts confidence. Nothing feels quite like pulling yourself up with pure strength. It maintains muscle mass, which helps keep metabolism high. Yes, pull-ups are challenging, but the journey to your first one will transform your upper body. And here's the truth. You don't have to do a full unassisted pull-up on day 1 to start reaping the benefits. How to start if you can't do one yet. Use a resistance band for assistance. Practice negatives. Jump to the top, then lower slowly. Build supporting muscles with rows and lat pull-downs. A 2015 EMG study found pull-ups activate more muscle in the lats and core than most gym machines. That's why they're so effective. You're not isolating one muscle, you're asking your whole upper body to work as a team. Why it matters for you. Pull-ups are proof of ownership over your body. They're a reminder that you are strong, not just for your age, but period. They build a kind of self-assurance that carries into every part of life, whether that's tackling a project at work, taking on a new sport, or simply feeling at home in your own skin. Closing. You don't need a complicated plan or hours in the gym. Just 4 simple exercises: farmer's walk, plank, kettlebell swing, and pull-up, done consistently, will make you stronger, more capable, and more confident than most people ever imagine. For women over 35, strength is about more than looks. It's about moving through life with power, protecting your health, and staying independent for decades to come. It's about choosing activities because they excite you, not because you're worried you might not be able to do them. So pick one. Start today. Your future self will thank you, and she'll be a lot stronger than 99.9% of people.